Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you fine. Okay, where we stop in the last class? Yes, we just start our sixth chapter. Sixth chapter is a beautiful story. What is the name of that story? What is the name of that story? Beauty and the Beast. Beauty and the Beast. Okay. Then last class I give you a homework. Which of this will you find in a royal palace? Okay, all of you write your homework. Yes, very good. Then we just start the story. Okay, which are the characters in the story? Which are the characters in the story? Yes, merchant, 3 daughters and beast. Okay, merchant, 3 daughters and beast. Okay, what is the name of third daughter? What is the name of third daughter? Beauty. Okay, Beauty. The story, where we stop in the story? Yes, we stop that the Beauty went to stay with the beast. Last Beauty beastന്റെ കൂടെ താമസിക്കാൻ പോയതാണ്. We stop that paragraph. Okay, I'll read once again the last paragraph. After that we can continue our next paragraph. Okay, the last paragraph, page number 38. Page number 38. Okay, all of you take page number 38. Beauty went to stay with the beast. At first, she was afraid of the beast, but he was so good and kind that Beauty came to like him very much. Beauty was very happy. Many days passed. One night, Beauty had a dream. She dreamed that her father was sick. She wanted to go home. When the beast came to know this, he was very sad. Then many days passed. അങ്ങനെ ബ്യൂട്ടി ബീസ്റ്റിൻ്റെ കൂടെ താമസിക്കാൻ പോയ അങ്ങനെ ദിവസങ്ങൾ കഴിഞ്ഞു. ബീസ്റ്റ് എങ്ങനെയാണ്? Very good and kind man ആണ്. Okay, then one day he dreamt. എന്താ സ്വപ്നം കണ്ടത്? His father was very sick. Okay, then Beauty want to go home. When the beast came to know this, he was very sad. അങ്ങനെ ഇത് കേട്ടപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ ബീസ്റ്റിന് വളരെയധികം സങ്കടം തോന്നി. Then page number 39. Page number 39. Okay, then last paragraph. Beauty, will you marry me? Asked the beast. Beast asked to Beauty, will you marry me? Nee enna vivaham cheyumo? No, beast, I must go home, said Beauty. But Beauty said that, no, I want to go home. No, beast, I must go home. Come back soon, said the beast, otherwise I will die. എനിക്ക് വീട്ടിൽ പോകണമെന്ന് ആര് വാശി പിടിക്കുകയാണ്? Yes, Beauty. Then the beast said that, come back soon, പെട്ടെന്ന് തിരിച്ചു വരണം. And said the beast, otherwise I will die, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ മരിച്ചു പോകും, otherwise I will die. Beauty went home. She was so happy to see everyone at home that she forgot all about the beast. One day, she dreamt that the beast was very sick. Beauty went home. Then the Beauty went home to see her father. She was so happy to see everyone at home that she forgot all about the beast. അങ്ങനെ വീട്ടിലേക്ക് പോയി. വീട്ടിൽ എല്ലാവരെയും കണ്ടപ്പോൾ സന്തോഷം തോന്നി. അങ്ങനെ മറ്റൊന്നിനെക്കുറിച്ചും ചിന്തിക്കാതെ Beauty അവിടെ തന്നെയായി, മതി മറന്ന് അവിടെ. She was so happy to see everyone at home that she forgot all about the beast. One day, she dreamt that the beast was very sick. Then one day, the Beauty dreamt that what? The beast was very sick. Beast എന്തോ അസുഖമായി കിടക്കണമെന്ന് ആ സ്വപ്നം കണ്ടു. Yes, Beauty dreamt. Beauty went home. She was so happy to see to see everyone at home that she forgot all about the beast. One day she dreamt that the beast was very sick. Okay, all of you understand? Yes, very good. Then next paragraph. Beauty was very sad. Beauty was very sad. She quickly went back to the beast palace. The beast was laying in the garden. He was dying. Okay, Beauty was very sad. Then Beauty dreamt that the beast was very sick. Then Beauty was very sad. Beauty അങ്ങനെ വളരെയധികം സങ്കടം തോന്നി. She quickly went back to beast palace. അങ്ങനെ പെട്ടെന്ന് തന്നെ ബീസ്റ്റിൻ്റെ പാലസിലേക്ക് തിരിച്ചുപോയി. The beast was laying in the garden. She was dying. Then the beast was laying in the garden. കിടക്കുന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നു ഗാർഡനിൽ. He was dying. മരിച്ച പോലെ അല്ലേ? He was dying. Beast, dear beast. Then the Beauty is crying. Beast, dear beast, don't die. I will marry you, said Beauty. As soon as Beauty said these words, a wonderful thing happened. The beast turned into a handsome prince. The beast turned into a handsome prince. What happened? Beast, dear beast. The Beauty thought that the beast was die. Beauty എന്താ വിചാരിച്ചേ? The beast is dying. Beast മരിച്ചു എന്നാണ്. Beast, dear beast, don't die. നിങ്ങൾ മരിക്കല്ലേ? I will marry you. ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളെ വിവാഹം ചെയ്യാം, said Beauty. As soon as Beauty said these words, പെട്ടെന്ന് ഇങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ എന്ത് സംഭവിച്ചു? A wonderful thing happened. Wonderful thing happened. The beast turned into a handsome prince. The beast turned into a handsome prince. പെട്ടെന്ന് തന്നെ എന്തായി മാറി? Handsome prince ആയി മാറി. ഒരു രാജകുമാരനായി മാറി. Okay, once again I will read that paragraph. Beast, dear beast, don't die. I will marry you, said Beauty. As soon as Beauty said these words, a wonderful thing happened. The beast turned into a handsome prince. The beast turned into a handsome prince. Okay, all of you understand? Okay, then our last paragraph. A wicked witch put a spell on me, he said, and turned me into a beast. She said that I would become a prince again if a lovely girl agreed to marry me. Okay, then the prince said the story. A wicked witch. Wicked witch means, what's meant wicked witch? Morally bad. A woman who had believed to have magical power. Yes, we read lots of story in our story books. Wicked witch means കയ്യിൽ മന്ത്രശക്തിയുള്ള രാക്ഷസികളൊക്കെ കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലേ? വിത്ത് എ മാജിക്കൽ സ്റ്റിക്ക്, കയ്യിലൊക്കെ ഒരു മാജിക്കൽ സ്റ്റിക്കൊക്കെ ഉള്ള വിച്ചസിനെ കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലേ? ദാറ്റ്സ് എ വിക്ഡ് വിച്ച്. ഓക്കെ, വിക്ഡ് വിച്ച് പുട്ട് എ സ്പെൽ ഓൺ മീ. അങ്ങനെ ഒരു വിക്ഡ് വിച്ച് എന്നെ ശപിച്ചതാണ്. പുട്ട് എ സ്പെൽ ഓൺ മീ, ഹി സെഡ്, ആൻഡ് ടേൺ മീ ഇൻടു എ ബീസ്റ്റ്. എന്നെ ശപിച്ചതാണ്. എന്ത്? ടേൺ ഇൻടു എ ബീസ്റ്റ്. എന്നെ ഒരു ബീസ്റ്റായി മാറണം എന്നൊരു വിക്ഡ് വിച്ച് ശപിച്ചതാണ്. അങ്ങനെയാണ് ഞാൻ ഇങ്ങനെ മാറിയത്. ഷീ സെഡ് ദാറ്റ് ഐ വുഡ് ബിക്കം എ പ്രിൻസ് അഗെയിൻ ഇഫ് എ ലവ്ലി ഗേൾ അഗ്രീഡ് ടു മാരി മീ. ഞാൻ തിരിച്ചൊരു പ്രിൻസായി മാറണമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ, ആ വിക്ഡ് വിച്ച് എന്താ പറഞ്ഞത്? തിരിച്ച് നീ ഒരു പ്രിൻസായി മാറണമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ, ഒരു ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ ലവ്ലി ഗേൾ മാരി ചെയ്യാൻ അഗ്രി ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ, അഗെയിൻ യു ആർ എ പ്രിൻസ്. അഗെയിൻ യു ആർ എ പ്രിൻസ്. Okay, once again I'll read the paragraph. All of you listen in your textbook. A wicked witch put a spell on me, he said, and turned me into a beast. She said that I would become a prince again if a lovely girl agreed to marry me. Okay, that is happened. Beauty agreed to marry beast. Okay, then the prince and Beauty got married and lived happily ever after. After that, Beauty and Beast married. And then the prince and Beauty married and living happily ever after. അങ്ങനെ ബ്യൂട്ടിയും പ്രിൻസും മാരി ചെയ്ത് വർഷങ്ങളോളം ഒരുമിച്ച് ജീവിച്ചു. ഓക്കെ, all of you like the story? All of you like the story? Yes, very good. I hope all of you understand the story. Okay, then once again I will summarize the story. Okay, which are the characters in the story? Which are the characters in the story? Yes, one merchant, 3 daughters and 1 beast. Okay, then what happened? What is the name of that third girl, third daughter? Yes, Beauty. Then all of you read this chapter 2 or 3 times. Okay, then it help you to read fluently English. Okay, then pronunciation also. Okay, then next we go through our activities. Okay, activities. All of you take page number 40. Page number 40. Okay, all of you take your pencil also. Okay, let us understand. First one, let us understand. Underline the right words in the bracket. Underline the right words in the bracket. Okay, here there is 6 sentence and you pick out the correct words in the bracket. Okay, first one, Beauty was sweet and lovely, mean and selfish. These are the 2 options. Sweet and lovely, mean and selfish. Which one? Beauty was sweet and lovely. Yes, first answer is Beauty was sweet and lovely. Okay, tick the answer. Sweet and lovely. Okay, next second sentence. The merchant dash made a lot of money, lost a lot of money. Which is correct answer? The merchant made a lot of money or lost a lot of money. Which is the correct answer? You say the answer. Yes, second answer, lost a lot of money. Second answer, lost a lot of money. Okay, lost a lot of money. Okay, then third one, the beast was good and kind, simple and sweet. Which is the correct answer? The beast was. How is this beast? The beast was good and kind. Third one, good and kind. Not a king. Kind. Okay, good and kind. Okay, the beast was good and kind. Tick the answer. Okay, fifth sentence. Beauty dreamt that her dash was sick. Who? Beauty ആര് അസുഖമായിട്ട് കിടക്കുന്നത് സ്വപ്നം കണ്ടത്? Father, uncle, sister. With who was sick? Yes, father. Fourth one. Sorry, fourth sentence is not. Beauty went to live in a. Fourth sentence, there's a mistake. Fourth sentence is Beauty went to live in a hut, house, palace. Which is the correct answer? Beauty went to live in a. എവിടേക്കാണ് താമസിക്കാൻ പോയത്? ഹട്ട്, ഹൗസ്, പാലസ്. Which place? Yes, palace. Fourth one, palace. Okay, then fifth one. Beauty dreamt that her. ആർക്ക് അസുഖമായിട്ട് കിടക്കുന്നത് സ്വപ്നം കണ്ടത്? The beauty dreamt that her father was sick. Okay, all of you tick answer. Father. Okay, 6. The beast turned into. the beast turned into a ugly dwarf, a handsome prince. The beast turned into a beast എന്തായി മാറി? The beast turned into a handsome prince. A handsome prince. Handsome prince. Okay. All of you take this answer in your textbook. First one, beauty was sweet and lovely. Beauty was sweet and lovely. Then the merchant lost a lot of money. The merchant lost a lot of money. Then third, the beast was good and kind. The beast was good and kind. Then beauty went to live in a palace. Okay. Then fifth one, beauty dreamt that her father was sick. Okay. Then sixth one, the beast turned into a handsome prince. Okay, turn into a handsome prince. Okay, all of you take the answer in your textbook. Okay, then next, B activity. All of you listen the B activity. B activity. Who said these words? Who said this? ആര് പറഞ്ഞ വാക്കുകളാണെന്ന്? There is a 2 sentence under that question and you said that who said these words? അത് ആര് പറഞ്ഞതാണെന്നാണ് നിങ്ങൾ എഴുതേണ്ടത്. Okay, I will read the first sentence. All of you listen to your text to first sentence. I will let you go, but you must send beauty to me. Who said these words? I will let you go. ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളെ പോവാൻ അനുവദിക്കാം. But you must send beauty to me. പക്ഷെ നിങ്ങൾ ബ്യൂട്ടിയെ എൻ്റെ അടുത്തേക്ക് അയക്കണം. Who said this word? Who said these words? I will let you go, but you must send beauty to me. Who said these words? All of you remember that story? Who said these words? Yes, beast. Beast said these words. All of you write in your textbook beast. Okay. All of you write in your textbook. There is a space for writing. Beast. Okay, beast. Then second sentence. Don't worry. I will go and stay with the beast. Don't worry. I will go and stay with the beast. വിഷമിക്കേണ്ട, ഞാൻ ബീസ്റ്റിൻ്റെ കൂടെ പോയി താമസിക്കാം. Who said these words? Don't worry, I will go and stay with the beast. Who said these words? Yes, beauty. Beauty said these words. Beauty said this word. Beauty said this word. Okay. All of you wrote these 2 answers. First one beast and second one beauty. Okay. I hope all of you wrote this answer. Then C is answer the following questions. I will send the answer in your WhatsApp group. Okay. How many daughters did the merchant have? How many daughters? Yes, 3 daughters. What present did the beauty want? What present the beauty want? Yes, a lovely rose. Where did the merchant spend the stormy night? In the palace. What happened when the merchant plucked a rose? Yes, one beast appeared. Okay. Was beauty happy in the beast's palace? Was beauty happy in the beast's palace? Yes, she is very happy in the palace. What happened when beauty told the beast that she would marry him? Marry cheyannu പറഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ എന്താ സംഭവിച്ചത്? Turn into a handsome prince. Turn into a handsome prince. Who had turned the prince into a beast? ആരാണ് അങ്ങനെ ശപിച്ചത്? പ്രിൻസിനെ ബീസ്റ്റ് ആക്കിയത്? A wicked which. Okay, I will send the answer in your WhatsApp group. Okay, then all of you take page number 41. Page number 41. Okay, what do you call these people? One has been done for you. Here is a vocabulary page. What do you call these people? One has been done for you. Here is a lots of people's names, and then what do you call these people? Okay, first one, expert in mathematics. മാത്തമാറ്റിക്സിൽ എക്സ്പേർട്ട് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ആളുകളെ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് വിളിക്കും? എക്സ്പേർട്ട് ഇൻ മാത്തമാറ്റിക്സ്, mathematician. We call mathematician. Okay, expert in biology. Who one is expert in biology? Then what we call? Biologist. Okay, write in your textbook biologist. Second one, biologist. Okay, biologist. Okay, one who expert in biology we call biologist. Okay, biologist. Okay, expert in geography. One who expert in geography, what we call? Geographer. Okay, geographer. Okay, all of you write in your textbook. Expert in geography, geographer. Okay, then expert in history. One who is an expert in history, what we call? Historian. Okay, historian. Okay, historian. Then expert in science. That all of you know. Expert in science, what we call? Scientist. Okay, scientist. Then expert in astronomy. Astronomy expert ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരാൾ എന്ത് വിളിക്കും? Astronomer. 6th one, astronomer. Okay, first one is expert in mathematics, mathematician. Then expert in biology, we call that person, one who expert in biology we call biologist. Okay, one who expert in geography we call geographer. Then one who expert in history we call historian. Okay, then one who expert in science we call scientist. Then last one, one who expert in astronomy we call astronomer. Okay, all of you write this answer in your textbook. Okay, this one, biologist, geographer, historian, scientist, astronomer. Okay, then all of you take page number 42. Page number 42. Page number 42. Language and grammar. This I will just talk you what is this. Okay, when we talk one, all of you listen your textbook. When we talk of one thing, we speak into a singular. For example, rose, sister, beast, merchant. When we talk of more than one thing, we speak for the plural. We already studied in our grammar chapter singular and plural. What is mean by singular? Singular means one person, thing, animal or etc. place. Okay, ഒന്നുള്ളതിനെ നമ്മൾ സിംഗുലർ എന്ന് പറയും. Then more than one we call plural. Okay, ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ plural. We already studied in our grammar classes. Okay, then here is an activity for you. A First activity, write the plural form of this words by adding s or es to this words. Okay, yes അല്ലെങ്കിൽ es ചേർത്ത് plural ഫോമിലേക്ക് ആക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്. Okay, we can discuss one by one. First, okay, first one, latch. First word, latch. Then what is the singular form of, sorry, plural form of latch? Latches. Okay, then here is a ch because we added es. Okay, we already briefly studied in the grammar class. Okay, first one, latches. Then second one, flower. Here ending with r. Then what we add to r? Only yes, flowers. Okay, flowers. Okay, then third word, dish. Dish. Here the word end with sh because we add es. Okay, dishes. Dishes. Okay, then fourth word, map. Map is ending with p. Then what we add? Yes. Fourth one, all of you write in your textbook also, maps. Okay, maps. All of you listen, ending with the ch, we add the ch or sh, we add the es. Okay, all of you listen that. Okay, then next word, fifth word, dress. Dress. Here the word end with double s, then we add dresses. Dresses. Okay, then sixth word, mile. Then what is the plural form of mile? Miles. Miles. Okay, glass. Seventh word, glass. Glass is ending with double s because we add es. Okay, glasses. Glasses. Okay, then eighth last word, box. Box is ending with the x because we add es. Eighth word, box. Boxes. Okay, all of you understand? Okay, first one, latches. Second one, flowers. Then third one, dishes. Fourth one, maps. Fifth one, dresses. Sixth one, miles. Seventh one, glasses. And last one, boxes. Okay, all of you write this plural form in your textbook. Okay, then next, read the sentence. Okay, read the sentence. The merchant went away on a trip. I will kill you. One day Beauty dreamt that the beast was very sick. Okay, here given three sentences. Okay, the merchant went away on a trip. I will kill you. One day Beauty dreamt that the beast was very sick. Okay, then here the words highlighted are all doing words. They tell us about actions. This doing words or action words are called verbs. Okay, we already studied in the grammar class what is verb. Verb is a doing words. നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്ന പ്രവർത്തികളെല്ലാം എന്താണ് വെർബുകളാണല്ലേ. Here the sentence went away, will kill you, dreamt. These are all verbs. Okay, here there is an activity, be activity. Circle the verbs in the sentence. All of you listen, page number 42 here. There is some sentence, then circle the verb in the sentence. ആ സെൻറ്റൻസുകളെല്ലാം വെർബുകൾ സർക്കിൾ ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ, then okay, first one, the birds are singing. The birds are singing. Which one is a verb in the sentence? You say the answer. Which word is the verb in the sentence? Yes, singing, പാടുക അല്ലേ? Verb. It's an action, doing word. Okay, first word, the singing is verb. Singing. Okay, singing. Then, second, ships sail on the sea. Ships sail on the sea. Which word is verb in the sentence? Yes, sail. Okay, sail. Okay, then the bells are ringing. Which is a verb? Ringing. Yes, very good. Ringing. Ringing. Okay, then the policeman caught the thief. Which is the verb in the sentence? Yes, caught. Caught. Okay, then fifth one, the water is boiling. Which is verb in the sentence? Doing word or action word? Yes, boiling. Okay, boiling. Boiling. Okay, the next, last sentence, John works hard. John works hard. Which one is verb, action word or doing word? Works. Yes, sixth one is works. Works. Okay, these are the verbs in the sentence: singing, sail, ringing, caught, boiling, on, works. Okay. Then all of you write in your textbook this. Okay, circle these words in your textbook. Okay, then all of you take page number 43. Page number 43. Okay, writing practice. That's your homework. That's 2 homework. Writing practice. Write the summary of the story Beauty and the Beast in 100 words. Okay, then here you write what do you understand in the story. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്താണ് സ്റ്റോറി എന്ന് മനസ്സിലായത്, അത് ഷോർട്ടാക്കിയിട്ട് എഴുതുക. ഓക്കെ, റൈറ്റ് ദ സ്റ്റോറി ഇൻ ഷോർട്ട്, സമ്മറി. ആ കഥയെ ചുരുക്കി എഴുതാനാണ് ഇവിടെ പറഞ്ഞത്. 100 വേർഡ്സ്. ഓക്കെ, ദാറ്റ്സ് യുവർ ഹോംവർക്ക്. ഓക്കെ, യു റൈറ്റ് ദ സ്റ്റോറി ഇൻ സമ്മറൈസ്. സ്റ്റോറീനെ ഒന്ന് ചുരുക്കി എഴുതുക. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ, then another activity for you. Last time, make a birthday card for your friend and gift it to him, her. Okay, this do in your notebook. Okay, this is an activity that make a birthday card. Okay, birthday card. അതായത് നിങ്ങളെ ഫ്രണ്ടിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവില്ലേ ക്രിസ്മസ് കാർഡ്, ബർത്ത്ഡേ കാർഡൊക്കെ കടയിൽ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവും അല്ലേ? അതുപോലെ ഒരു ബർത്ത്ഡേ കാർഡ് നിങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കണം. ഓക്കെ, ഫോർ യുവർ ബെസ്റ്റ് ഫ്രണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, ഒരു ഫ്രണ്ടിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഒരു ബർത്ത്ഡേ കാർഡ് നിങ്ങൾ വെട്ടി റെഡിയാക്കി എഴുതുക. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ റൈറ്റ് ബർത്ത്ഡേ വിഷസ് ഓൾസോ. ഓക്കെ, ദാറ്റ്സ് യുവർ one activity and one homework also. Okay, writing practice you write in your textbook, then activities you make a birthday card also. Okay, I hope all of you understand this chapter. Okay, we complete that Beauty and Beast story, and you have any doubt you can ask. Okay, then we discuss the activity also. Let us understand, and vocabulary, language and grammar, verbs, all these things. I hope all of you understand this activity and chapter also. If you have any doubt you can call me. Okay, then I will send the question answer in your group. Okay, today we can stop our class. We can meet next class. Okay, thank you.